Welcome to Fun Grammar for Beginner class.
Hello, I'm Maria. What's your name?
Hi, I'm Tony.
Hello, I'm your teacher. You're in my class.
I'm in class 4.
You're in room 3.
I'm not Tom. I'm Tony. You aren't in class 5. You're in class 4.
You aren't in room 6. You're in room 7.
I'm not Brad Pitt. I'm Leonardo DiCaprio.
Are you Sam?
Am I in room 4?
Are you Sylvia?
Am I in class 3?
Hello. Are you Liz?
No, I'm not. I'm Maria. Am I in class 8?
No, you aren't. You're in class 6.
Are you in room 4?
No, I'm not. I'm in room 5. Are you Henry?
Yes, I am. Nice to meet you.
Am I in your class?
Yes, you are. I'm your teacher.
Where's London?
It's in England.
Where's Lisa from?
She's from Germany.
Where's Izmir?
It's in Turkey. Where's Mario from?
He's from Brazil. Where's Sochi?
It's in Russia.
Where's Charles from?
He's from England.
Where's Mia from?
She's from Switzerland.
Where's Daruel?
It's in Spain.
Where's Diego from?
He's from Mexico.
Is Anna from Mexico?
No, she isn't. She's from Spain.
Where's Osaka? Is it in Japan?
Yes, it is. Is Mark from the USA?
No, he's from England.
Where's she from?
She's from Rio.
Is Ivan from Poland?
No, he isn't. He's from Russia.
Is Strasbourg in Germany?
No, it isn't. It is in France.
Are you from Turkey?
No, I'm not. I'm from Egypt.
Where is Bergamo? Is it in Italy?
Yes, it is.
Where is Alex from? Is he from Mexico?
No, he isn't. He is from the USA.
Where are you from?
I'm from Cambridge.
What's your name?
My name is Anna. I'm from Chicago.
You are from Chicago. I'm from Chicago. 2. It's a great city.
Thanks for watching. Thanks for your subscribe.